As the year was coming to an end, we were wondering what the average Capital I student could remember from their biology class. We asked some common knowledge questions about science. Simple questions like who came up with the theory of evolution? Darwin! See, that was pretty easy, simple question. We walked through Capitol's halls finding random students and asked them common knowledge questions about biology. And this is what they had to say.
Hello, what's your name?
Rebecca Martinez.
I'm just going to ask you a few questions, just answer honestly. Can you tell me what the greenhouse effect is?
It's where you can have plants in the winter time.
Really?
Yeah.
Greenhouse effect, yes. What are vestigial structures?
They're in a fish.
What part of the fish?
A heart.
All right. What is homeostasis? Homeostasis.
It's life.
Life?
I don't know.
All right, I'm done.
Okay. All right. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Pat Locker, and I teach history.
What does ATP stand for?
Isn't that some sort of additive to your gas tank?
Okay.
ATV.
All right. That's good. That's good.
Okay, so what's your name?
Danny Elledge,
And what grade are you in?
10th.
Alright, so I'm just going to ask you a couple questions about biology. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, what does DNA stand for?
Dirabic nucleic, I don't know, the other one.
Make a guess.
Acid.
Alright, how many pairs of chromosomes do we have?
22?
Not bad. Okay. What is the first element on the periodic table?
Nitrogen.
Alright. What are gametes for?
Hydrogen. What?
What are gametes for?
I think they help something with, like, cell division or something.
Hello there. Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Stephen Alley.
All right, Stephen. Welcome to the AP Bio Walking session. We're just going to ask you a couple of questions, and we want you to answer honestly. So, first off, what do the adrenal glands excrete?
Hold on, redo this. I've got to think. Can I please live answers?
This is live.
Sweat.
All right. Next question. Right.
Go.
Hi, could you please say your name for us?
Tucker Anderson.
All right, I'm going to ask you a few questions about biology. All right, what is an angiosperm?
It's when a human body reacts to temperature.
Okay, how can you determine a gender of a fruit fly?
If it has if it has parts or not.
What is DNA made out of?
Genes.
What kind of genes?
Calcium and fluoride.
What does DNA stand for?
Dehomologous nucleic acid.
Could you define dehomologous for me?
When a cell interacts with another cell.
So when a cell interacts with another cell, that's dehomologous. Okay. Thank you.
I'm going to ask you questions about bio. What's your name?
My name's Chris.
When was the last time you took bio?
Sophomore year.
Okay, so you should know some of this. Okay.
Maybe.
What does ATP stand for?
ATP is like something to do with something with cells. Is that it? Am I close?
Do you?
Am I close at all?
We'll just move on. How
Next
many
question.
chromosomes do you have?
Let's say about 100. 100? Like 1,000?
Sure. We'll go with that. What do they do?
My chromosomes, right?
Yeah.
Don't they have like put like protein in your body or something like that?
Really? What kind of proteins?
There's more than one.
Or what kind of protein?
I don't know. Okay, next question. It's been great.
What does DNA do?
Oh, it's like your blueprints of your body and stuff.
Yeah. Do you know what it stands for?
No.
Can you make a guess?
Data, nada, DNA, atoms.
Nice. You know what makes up DNA?
No.
Can you make a guess?
I guess, what makes up DNA? Chromosomes and atoms.
Okay. Do you know the difference between genotype and phenotype?
No, I do not.
Can you make a guess?
Make a guess? Phenotype, I'm going, genotype stands for something for the guys, and then pheno sounds like something with females, so it goes with pheno.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
That's all I have.
All right. Thanks.
All right, what's your name?
Madison Hymas.
And what grade are you in?
10th grade. 10th grade.
Awesome. Okay, I'm just going to ask you a couple questions. Okay, first one. What does DNA stand for?
Direct Nations Association.
Direct Nations Association. I like it. Okay. All right. What's the first element on the periodic table?
Acetone.
Acetone. Okay. All right. What's the atmosphere made out of?
Gases.
All right. That's all I have for you.
What is your name?
Kelsey,
When was the last time you took or when did you take biology?
last year.
Okay. I'm going to ask you a few questions. And if you don't know, just guess. What is an organelle that plants have that humans don't?
A seed.
Okay. In DNA, what letter does the letter G bind with?
R.
Okay. In chromosomes, what two letters represent that you're a female?
X.
And?
And Y.
Okay. Suppose a woman has 7 boys and 8 girls. What is the probability of her having another girl?
25%.
Okay. That's all I have. Say thank you. Thank you.
What is your name?
Liz.
Can you tell me what the difference is between anaerobic and aerobic respiration?
One goes in, one goes out.
Can you tell me what DNA is made of?
It's in your body.
What it is made of?
Cells.
What type of cells?
Chromosomes.
Okay. Can you explain what photosynthesis is?
It has to do with the sun and the plants cycling.
What is the most important element in life?
Life.
Can you name a potential primary producer in an ecosystem?
Oh my gosh. The weather. I don't know.
That's hard. What is it? You're smart.
Weather.
Good.
Hi, what's your name? Emily. What grade are you in? I'm a junior. Did you take bio last year? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna ask you some questions about AP Bio. Alright. Okay, how many chromosomes do we have? 24. What's the difference between a genotype and a phenotype? One's plant and one's human. Which one's plant? The pheno. What does DNA do? It shows us like who we are. What does it stand for? Direct Respiratory Aerobiotics. Respiratory starts with an R. It's okay. What's your name?
Jamie,
What year are you?
I'm a junior.
You took bio last year?
Yeah.
Alright, I have a couple questions for you. What is the first phase of cell division?
I don't know. It divides.
what does PMAT stand for?
I don't know. Personal machine automatic tire.
I'm here with Mr. O'Loughlin. Could you tell us what you teach here?
I teach Spanish 3, Spanish 3 Accelerated, and AP Spanish Literature. Be nice, I have a Bachelor of Arts degree, please.
What is another name for dihydrogen monoxide?
Ozone.
Alright, that's good. Alright.
What is oxidative phosphorylation?
Something smart. Sounds like chemistry, not biology.
Oh no, it's biology.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Has to do with the body.
What part of the body?
The inside of the body.
What part of the inside of the body?
The main inside of the body.
What is the main inside of the body?
Next to this region. This region here. In this section.
And why do we need water?
So we can not be thirsty.
But why do we get thirsty?
Because our bodies say we need water.
But why do our bodies say we need water?
Because we're thirsty.
Okay, what is that cycle called?
The thirst cycle of hydration. Thanks. Am I done?
Hi, can you introduce yourself for us?
I'm Mark Rich,
And
calculus teacher,
AP Calculus?
sometimes.
Okay, so we've got a couple questions, bio questions, and answer them as best as you can.
I don't know any biology, but I'll try.
Okay, so can you name one of Mendel's laws?
Natural selection.
Okay. What do B cells make?
B cells. Not bright kids.
Okay, what is the parathyroid secret?
My parathyroid is what makes me grow tall, maybe. No, I have no clue.
Okay.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Trey Thomas.
Have you ever taken a biology class before?
Yes. My body was there, my mind wasn't.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a couple questions. What is the chemical formula for photosynthesis?
Chloroform.
Chloroform?
No, I have no idea. It's like chlorophyll. My bad. Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Is that the green stuff?
That's the green stuff, but what's the chemical formula?
A squared plus B squared.
What kind of bond is water?
Oh, hydrobond? Hydrobondage?
Hydrobondage. Is that the strongest kind of bond?
No.
What is?
Physical bonds.
Physical bonds. Okay. What are the 4 bases in DNA?
Red, blue, and green.
Which pair with which?
Red goes with blue and green goes with white. White?
Did you say white original?
No, I had that. I thought, well, I didn't have anything to pair green up. I had to pick a color.
My name's Aaron Butler, and I teach environmental science and chemistry at Capitol High School.
Okay, when was the last time you took biology?
Whew. Probably, let's see, do some quick math, 20 years ago, back in college. So.
All right, well, I'm going to test how much you remember.
Okay.
What are hormones?
Hormones. As a high school teacher, I deal with that every day. Hormones are what creates energy in teenagers. How about that?
Okay, what kind of energy?
Sporadic, irrational energy.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, can you guys introduce yourselves?
I'm Trey Thomas.
I'm Alex Betts.
All right, I'm going to ask you some questions about biology. All right, what is an angiosperm?
It's like a regular sperm.
With a little A in front of it.
All right, could you describe angiosperm without using the word sperm?
Squiggly thing that moves.
White.
It's like angel hair pasta.
All right, can you tell me how to determine the gender of a fruit fly?
Look at its
Squish it.
How does squishing it help you?
See if the penis comes out.
What is RNA?
Oh.
Different from DNA, that's for sure.
Not robotic.
Robotic.
Yeah, I got nothing.
Ribosomes.
Yeah, that.
Sure.
RNA is ribosome.
Yep, that's the DNA in ribosomes.
Okay, so what is the NA for ribosome? Can you add those on?
NA, not applicable.
So you have
not applicable.
Ribosomes
Ribosome,
not applicable.
robotic assets.
All right, thanks, you guys.
Yep.
All right, introduce yourself.
My name's Riley.
What grade are you in?
10th.
All right. What's the difference between a plant cell and an animal cell?
Plant cell. There's water in plants and where's water? I don't know.
So animal cells don't have.
No,
water.
animal cells have water, and so do humans.
So what's the difference?
We have vertebrates, and I don't know. I wrote it down.
Okay.
I don't know.
What role does the endocrine system play in bodily functions?
It's part of it. I don't know that.
Yes.
It's
look at me.
part of the heart. Yes.